JaguarPC's platform is relatively easy to use, even for beginners. Their hosting solutions include the following features. Daily backups. JaguarPC has positioned itself as a leading hosting services provider to keep your organization's critical information secure. They perform daily backups to help you access your website even after an attack or disaster. 100% uptime and network assurance. With years of experience in the field, JaguarPC has all the tools they need to ensure 100% uptime for every website they host. They have positioned themselves as the leading provider to turn to when they need unmatched reliability and 100% network connectivity. Free domain migration. JaguarPC conducts website migrations from your former hosting provider at no cost. The process is smooth and efficient, so you'll have minimal downtime. Bold Grid Website Builder. This drag-and-drop builder is included with every shared hosting plan and allows you to create a WordPress website in minutes. Intermediate Environments is a rarely seen feature that allows you to test the look and feel of your website before it goes live. More than 450 pre-installed applications. To simplify the website building process, JaguarPC has included hundreds of free third-party apps that you can use to increase the functionality of your website. Free Let's Encrypt Ssl certificates are a must in today's SEO landscape, so we're lucky that JaguarPC included it in their packages. Overall, JaguarPC's packages are amazingly feature-rich and robust. They also have recently expanded their network infrastructure to include the United Kingdom. However, at the moment, they only offer shared hosting, reseller hosting, and management services from this new data center. Unfortunately, they currently have no data centers on continents other than North America and Europe. As one of the most reputable web hosting providers globally, JaguarPC's hosting solutions are not as expensive as you might initially expect. Perhaps because of how big the company has become, they've been able to significantly reduce the cost of their hosting subscriptions, making them one of the most affordable providers in the United States. It's been 20 years since they started, but they are still one of the fastest growing hosting providers in the United States. JaguarPC does not have a free trial or free version of any web hosting plans. Instead, they have a money-back guarantee that serves as a quality guarantee for their customer base. JaguarPC's technical support team consists of hosting experts with years of experience. You can contact this team through a chat on the JaguarPC website, phone, or email. Over the years, the company's support of its customers has been the main reason why many people have chosen this provider for all their hosting needs. However, JaguarPC's ticketing system has been marred by problems and endless customer complaints in recent years.